Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to make my own toy, and my toy name is my animation toy. I buy some things that I need in this toy. The things are reflective screen, rotating disc, two markers, black and red, three animation sides, and one base holder. Place the base holder on the flat surface. Fix the rotating disc on the base holder. Take any animation side and place it over the rotating disc. Fix the reflective screen on the animation side. So now your animation toy is ready. Rotate your disc and see that your bird is flying in the sky. So bye all of you.